Look, so many boys have built bodies. Only those people who really want to build their body by following this course video. Watch this video because this is not a normal video, this is a course video in this. You will be told which workouts should be done in the gym on which days and how to do them. There is a course video on how to perform it, so please share its link somewhere separately. Send it to your friends and save this video separately, otherwise if you search for it later, you will not get this video and you will regret it a lot because everything will be told in it. This video is for those who go to the gym and for those who work out at home. The video has already been made, you will find it on the channel in this video, push-pull legs. Follow the workout as you start the course video. Welcome to day 1 of our push workout, where we train 3 muscles. This gym workout will target chest muscles, shoulder muscles and tricep muscles. Before starting any workout we must warm up. If you do only one exercise in warm-up, it is called jumping jacks. If we perform for 30 seconds, our body will get a good workout. In a way, our warm-up will be done, so first of all we will warm up our chest muscles. Let's talk about this. In this we will do the first workout, push-up, normal push-up. People have to do 12 repetitions of push-ups and complete 2. We have to perform a set. After doing push-ups, we have to take rest for 30 seconds. After a second's rest, we will do dumbbell press. You all have to be careful in this, that the dumbbells that you will use in dumbbell press will have that weight. You should keep the weight of the dumbbells such that you can do 12 repetitions comfortably. Presses are performed in this manner. We have to do 2 sets of dumbbell presses, both. In a set we will do 12 repetitions. After doing double press, we will do 30 seconds of. We will take rest and after that we will do barbell press. In barbell we have to use this much weight. We have to lift as much as we can easily and do 12 repetitions comfortably. What to do? The motion has to be performed in this manner. The posture has to be performed in this manner. You will do it with range of motion and you have to do 2 barbell presses. We have to do sets. In both the sets we will go up to 12 repetitions and after that we will do 30. We'll take a break of 10 seconds and then after a 30-second break we'll do pack deck flies, in which we will keep the weight such that we can do 12 repetitions comfortably. Pack deck fly. You have to do 2 sets. In both sets you will do 12 repetitions. Our chest workout is complete. As soon as our chest workout is complete, we will take a full 1-minute break and after the 1-minute break we will do our shoulders. Our first workout in shoulders workout will be front raises. We will perform in this manner. We will keep the weight of the dumbbell such that we can easily do 12 reps. In this way you will do front raises so that you can do repetitions, you will get 12. You have to do repetitions and perform 2 sets, after that we will do 30. We'll take a break of a few seconds, and the next shoulder workout we'll do is lateral raise. In this, we will keep the weight of the dumbbell such that we can do 12 repetitions comfortably. Lateral raisers, we will perform it in this manner. We have to do 12 repetitions and you people. 2 sets have to be performed. After doing lateral raises, we will rest for 30 seconds. After that we will do military press which we perform in this manner. In barbell, you have to use enough weight so that you can do 12 repetitions comfortably. People have to do 12 repetitions of military press and you have to complete 2 sets. People have to perform this. Our shoulder workout is complete. Now, we'll take a full minute's rest, and then we'll get back to our tricep workout. In the above tricep workout, the first workout we will do is dumb tricep extension. What you have to do in this is you have to take a dumbbell in one of your hands. Let me tell you again that we will keep such weight in every exercise that we can do 12. After being able to do repetitions comfortably, we can do dumbbell extensions in this manner. We will perform 12 repetitions in 2 sets. After that we will take rest for 30 seconds. Next workout we will do cable. We have to perform the extension in this way. What is the cable extension in this? You guys will see that our tricep muscles grow very fast and very well. You have to do 2 sets of cable extensions. In both the sets you have to do 12 to 1 repetitions. After this we will again take a break of 30 seconds and then we will do the last workout. That's going to be our skull crusher. What are we going to do in this? In skull crush we have The weight in the barbell should be applied in such a way that we can do 12 repetitions. Be able to take it out comfortably and you can stretch your triceps all the way back. We have to take it and perform skull crush in this manner for you all. We will do 12 repetitions and perform 2 sets. This is our complete workout. 1 day's push workout is complete, our first day's workout. All of you have completed the second day pull workout. Welcome. In this we will train 3 of our muscles. The first will be our back muscles. Along with that we will train our biceps and we will also train our rear delts. Before starting any workout, we will definitely warm up. If you guys only have one exercise called jumping jacks, we perform. If we do this for 30 seconds, our body will become quite warm in a way. This will warm us up, so first of all we will train our back muscles in this. The first workout we will do is lat pull downs. We will do the workout on the lat machine. We have to do this. In this we will keep the weight such that we can do 12 repetitions comfortably. People will perform 2 sets, in both we will do 12 repetitions. After that we have to take a rest of 30 seconds. After taking a rest of 30 seconds we will do dumbbell row, which we perform in this manner. We do 12 repetitions of dumbbell row also. We will do this and we have to keep in mind that the weight of the dumbbell should be such that we can do 12 repetitions comfortably. You should not lift very heavy dumbbells and you should not use very light dumbbells either. We have to do 2 sets of this. In both sets we will do 12 repetitions. After that, we will take a rest of 30 seconds and then we will do the next workout. We will do seated back pull. What we have to do in this is perform the workout in this way. You have to do this and you have to use such weight that you can comfortably perform 12 repetitions. We have to do 2 sets of POW seated back pull and in both the sets we have to do 12 to 12. We will perform repetitions. This is our back workout complete. After this we will complete 1. We'll take a minute's rest and then we'll return to our biceps muscles for a biceps workout. We will do biceps. Our first workout will be our biceps which. This is how we perform biceps. You guys should keep this in mind. The point is that you should keep the weight such that you can do 12 repetitions comfortably. We have to perform 2 sets of biceps. In both sets we will do 12 to 1 repetitions. After that we will take rest for 30 seconds. After taking rest we will do next. The exercise to be performed is hammer curl. We will perform hammer curl in this manner. In this also we will neither take the weight too heavy nor too light. We will take this much weight. So that we can do 12 repetitions comfortably, we will perform 2 sets for. This also in both. In the same set we will do 12 to 1 repetitions. After doing hammer curls, we will do 30 seconds of. We will take rest and after taking rest we will do our next workout. Barbell curl. What we will do in this is to put weights in the barbell and barbell to barbell. Biceps will work. We will have to do 2 sets of this exercise and in both the sets, we have to do minimum 12 repetitions. We have to keep in mind that you should keep the weight such that it can do 12 repetitions. You guys can do the repetitions comfortably. This completes our biceps workout. Later we'll work out our rear delts, anyway, when we work out our back. If so, then the rear delts also get involved in it, but if we do the rear delts separately also. If we perform delt exercises then it is better to perform rear delt exercises which we do first. We will do workout. We will do bend over flies. What will we do in this? We will stand like this. And then you will bend. After that lift the dumbbell in this manner and keep it behind your back. We will train the delts. We train the rear delts, so the shoulders become round and their shape improves considerably. We will do 3 sets of this rear shoulder exercise. Keep this in mind. Keep in mind that this will take 3 sets and in all 3 sets we will do 12 repetitions each. By doing the workout, your good pull workout will be completed and there are muscles which are your back muscles which are your biceps muscles and which are your rear delts. He will be trained well in the 3rd legs workout. Welcome. Today the muscles we are going to train are our leg muscles. Before starting any workout, we will definitely warm up. If you guys only have one exercise called jumping jacks, we perform. If we do this for 30 seconds, our body will become quite warm in a way. This will be our warm-up. In this the first workout we will do will be squats, which we will perform this way, without weights if you prefer. You can also do squats in the beginning and then gradually you can add weights or You can also do workout using barbell, just keep in mind that the weight you will keep should be such that it should be minimum 12 kg. Be able to do repetitions comfortably. After doing the first workout squats, we can do 30. We will take a rest of 30 seconds in the second workout we will do. After that we will do calf raises. In this you will work out your calves, calf raises. This is how calf raises are performed. You should do a minimum of 12 repetitions. You have to perform 2 full sets, and after that we'll take a few seconds of rest, and then we'll do our next workout, which is our legs. In the press machine, we will take such a weight that we can do 12 repetitions comfortably. Get the leg press machine. We have to do leg press and we will do 2 sets of it. In both we will complete 12 repetitions, after that we will rest for 30 seconds. After that, the last workout we will do is seated leg extensions. We have to perform 3 sets of seated leg extension, and in all 3 sets we will do this workout with 12 repetitions each. Our overall benefit from this workout will be, the legs will be trained very well and our leg muscles will grow. This is a very good workout, so this completes our push-pull legs workout. On the first day we did push workout, on the second day we did pull workout, on the third day we did legs workout. If you want, you can take rest on the 4th day, and the gym is closed on Sundays, so you can do something like this. You did it on Monday. Tuesday you did a push workout. Wednesday you did a legs workout. Then you did a push workout again on Thursday. On Friday you did a pull workout. You did legs workout on Saturday, and you can take rest on Sunday, and then next week you can perform this week's workout in the same manner. The plan is that this will last for 2 weeks, and after 2 weeks you will again have the next round. You will get videos for the next 2 weeks of workouts, and let me tell you about this workout. Along with this, you will also get the PDF of the diet plan, which you will get. People can see, and you have to take diet accordingly, only then this will affect you. The exercises have been told to you, these will work and you will get maximum benefit. If muscle growth is possible, then you should do this workout continuously for 2 weeks and follow the diet plan accordingly. I will meet you after 2 weeks and I will share the plan for the next 2 weeks with you all. I will bring it and see you after next 2 weeks.